In this demo, let's take a look at how to use the BigQuery CLI BQ. So here I am in a project and I have BigQuery open. Notice here's my project ID and I have no data sets below it. Now what I want to do is create a data set, add a table to the data set, and then run a query to that table. But I don't want to do it here in the console. I want to do it programmatically using the CLI. Now in this other tab, I have Google Cloud Shell open. Now to make the demo go smoother, I've prepped a bunch of commands. So the first thing we need to do is make a data set. So the command is bqmk for make, and then the name of the data set. Now I should have the data set created. Now the next step is to load a table into the data set. So I'm going to run bq and then load. This parameter, auto detect, that'll detect the table schema for me, so I don't have to add that. And then this is the name of the table right here. So it's in the sports data set, which I just created. And the table will be called Super Bowls. And I'm going to load the data in from a CSV file. So I have a CSV file at this location, which has a history of the Super Bowls. So let me just copy that command and paste it in. And that should load my table. So that won't take too long. Now I can type BQLS, and that'll show me all of my data sets. And then I can type BQLS and the name of a data set, and that'll show me the tables within that data set. So the Super Bowls table. We could see that over here in the console too if we wanted to. So if I refresh this screen, now notice we can expand my project, and there's my data set, and there's my Super Bowls table. Now, we'll run this command, bq head, and then the name of our table. So head will show us the first few rows inside our data set. So notice it's the game, right? The Super Bowl game, and then the date, and the winning team and the score and the losing team, and so on and so forth. Now I want to run a query. So I'm going to run bq query, and then this is the query that I'm going to run. So notice I'm going to run select winning team, and then I'm going to count games as wins from my Super Bowls table. Then I'll group by winning team and order by wins in descending order. So this will show me how many Super Bowls each team has won in the order of their wins. So let's grab all that, and we'll paste that in the CLI or in the console, and there we go. So there's the results of our query. Very good. Now if I'm done with my table, then I can run bq remove and the name of the table. And now if I want to remove the data set, I can do bq remove and the name of the data set. Now let's run bqls again, and everything will be cleaned up. There you have it. So that'll get you started using the BQ command line interface for BigQuery. This is Doug Renstrom with ROI Training.